Clinical Automatic BPM Printer Installation. Prepare tools: curved screwdriver, tweezers, pliers, right angle screwdriver, double-sided tape. Install printer core. Note: check the card slot is in place. Fix the screw nuts. To install circuit board and cable. First install the first cable on the back. Install the 3 screws to fix the printer circuit board. Install the 2 cables on the front of the printer circuit board. Install modules. The 3 wires to the module separately. Use tweezers to attach the 2 air tubes to the module, pressing them fully down. Ensure the tweezers cover the tips to avoid damaging the tubes. Fix the module with the fixtures, tighten 3 screws, and cover the back cover.